Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of the screen like so, and this will show you a bunch of toggles. Now I do want to point out you want to swipe down from the top right side, as left will get you notifications. So anyway, from right side, and we're looking for screen recorder, which will look like this. So little camera icon, click on it. It will bring up this overlay with record, folder, settings, and close option. So we're gonna jump straight into recording by clicking on this red circle, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the phone. Now there is some limitations to it, so if I were to open up Netflix with an actual internet connection, what you'll experience is just a black screen instead of a recording, because Netflix is Netflix, and it just doesn't care about the user of the device, it cares about its own bottom line. But other applications, for instance like the browser, will be recorded normally. Now once you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay, click on the square, and this will automatically save your recording. So from here you can either tap on the folder, this will quickly take you to just the screen recordings, or you can open up your gallery application, in which you will have your screen recording visible in the Photos tab, or under Albums you will find Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Just select Screen Recordings right here, and same thing, you can view your screen recordings in here. Oh, for God's sakes. Apparently the option for limited access doesn't apply when you can get forced into not giving it limited access, otherwise it won't work. Now, you can see it's already playing back. This is just part of the screen recorder that is still open. So the actual overlay that we had on the screen when recording will not be visible. You can see that it's not visible here. So yeah, there we go. Now with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.